The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G represents Samsung's bold leap beyond traditional foldable phones into the emerging rollable smartphone category, where the display doesn't fold on a hinge but extends and contracts smoothly to offer both a compact phone and a large screen experience in one device. Rumors and leaks suggest it will feature a rollable OLED screen that expands from a standard smartphone size up to around 12.4 inches, providing a tablet-like canvas for multitasking, gaming, and media without the crease associated with foldables. The Z Roll 5G is expected to pack flagship-level performance with Snapdragon 8 series or Exynos 2600 Silicon, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a robust 8,000 mAh battery with fast charging, along with a high-resolution camera system including a 200MP main sensor and an under-display selfie cam for uninterrupted visuals. Built with premium materials like a titanium alloy frame and advanced AI-driven software features, it aims to blend innovation, durability, and versatility, potentially redefining how users interact with mobile screens by seamlessly shifting between phone and tablet modes in one device.